Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on Animoto Video Maker for beginners. In this video, we're going to talk about Animoto, its different pricing and membership plans, and then we'll show you the sign up and account setup process, and we'll do a walkthrough of the interface and show you how you can make your own videos using Animoto. So make sure you're watching this video till the end. First, let's look at what is Animoto. Animoto is a cloud-based video creation platform, as you can see over here, and you can make videos from photos, video clips, music, anything. And you can use all these elements and make slideshow videos or customize web-based presentations, anything you want, you can create on Animoto. Another good thing about this platform is they have tons and tons of templates. We will go through that in a bit. First, let's look at the pricing and membership plans. For that, click on pricing in the top navigation bar. And you can see these are the different plans that is available on Animoto. You can switch between the monthly view and the annual view, and you can see automatically you get a discount on the annual subscription of 40%. First is the free plan, which is obviously free forever, and you get all the standard features of Animoto, like standard quality video of 720p, 50 music tracks, 3 standard fonts, 30 color swatches, unlimited social sharing, and it is available on desktop and iOS. We can also get screen recording, webcam recording, import from cloud storage tools. Then there's the basic plan, which comes at $8 per month, and you get all the standard features along with no Animoto branding, which means there's no watermark. And then there is the high quality video feature, which is 1080p and unlimited downloads. Then comes the professional plan, which is at $15 per month. It has everything that's there in the basic plan. Plus, there is no watermark of Animoto in your videos. You can add your logo and colors, more than 1 million licensed stock photos and videos from Getty Images. And you also get 3,000 licensed music tracks, plus a new feature like record screen and webcam together. Then there's voiceover, 3 saved templates, 1 saved brand, 40 professional fonts, and high quality video of 1080p. Lastly is the Professional Plus plan, which is at $39 per month. When you get everything that's there in the professional plan, and along with that, you get accounts for up to 3 users, more than 100 million premium licensed photos and videos from Getty Images, and you can also upload your own fonts. Since we're doing a demonstration in this video, we're going to go for the free plan. So let's go ahead to the sign up process. You can either click the sign up button at the top right side or just click this button over here, sign up for free, or even here. This is the sign up page. All you need to do is give in your email, set a password, and hit the create an account button. The platform will ask you what will you be using Animoto for, and you've got all these options. For now, I'm going to go ahead with the personal use option. Before you're taken to the video creator, you have 2 options over here. One is Animoto 3, which is for professional videos, where you can apply your brand logo, voiceover, and record your screen, etc. And then there is Animoto Memories, which has like basically slideshow videos that you can use to turn your photos and videos into a video. We're going to go for the first option. And you can see there are tons and tons and tons of templates over here that you can use, or you can also start from scratch. You can use the search bar as well, which is what I'm going to do. Let's hit on that one and it will start creating a project. So let's just skip this for now because I want to show you the interface. Here you have the template video and everything that's there in it is there over here. And this is the timeline down over here where you can see all the videos and clips that are in the video are over here, and everything's timestamp is also given. On the right side, you have this section, which is a media library, and you can import from your PC or laptop, and you can select stock images, which is the second option. And if you've favorited anything, it will appear here, so you can add it quickly. And on the top side, you have this button to go back to projects. Here you can edit the name of the video, and I'm just going to call it nature. Click this button to save this as a template. Then you have design, audio, ratio, record. This thing is the comment section. Then you have undo, redo, upgrade, and share. Now over here, you have these 3, which is change burst animation, change color, add text. So what I'm going to do is I'm first of all going to delete these things because this is what I don't want. I don't want too many of it. And you can add texts anywhere. Like I'm going to change, if you want to change this text, you can just hit this and type in whatever you want. When you click on a text, you have these options. That is to change the font size, alignment, color, add a subtitle under this, delete the title, and if you click the three dots, you have these options as well. Now, I'm going to change this video because I don't want this photo slideshow kind of a thing. So I'm just going to delete it, and you can click the plus button to add a block, and you have all these options over here. So I'm just going to click on this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import. When you click on import, you can browse or you have these options as well. I'm just going to select a video over here and hit the upload button and drag it, drop it on the screen. I want these two texts to be separated by a video. And that's it. This is my video. Now I want to publish this. So what you're going to do is hit the share button and click on publish and share. So that's how you use a template. We're going back to projects. We're going to go to create again. Now, the next option in Animoto 3 is to create from scratch, which is also something you can do. So that's what I'm going to show you a small demo of. If you hit that start from scratch button, you will need to first select a theme. These are the three steps. Then you need to select choose aspect ratio and upload media. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one, and I want it in landscape. This is the second step. I'm going to go ahead with this one. And in the third step, I'm going to add some media and hit the upload button. The things are getting uploaded here, which will take a bit of a time. If you click design, then you can see that the themes have appeared here again. Text settings also can be changed for this particular video, and as well as the video settings. Like you can get the film strip appearance or hotspot appearance. You can apply filters, and you can add a watermark of your own, but that's available only for pros. So let's just hit the text option first and select a particular style. I'm going to go ahead with this one. Since we haven't added a text yet, it's not showing in the preview. Let's hit the close button and see whether everything's gotten uploaded. Yes, it has. So let's start with this one. I'm going to drag and drop it here. And then I'm going to add some text. And you have these other options as well. We'll open the sidebar and add another one. And I'm going to hit it here and add a third one as well. I'm going to the second video or block and adding text over here. And I'm going to type in a text. And I'm going to add a text to the third one as well. So if you click on each clip, you can trim it and you can also mute it. I'm going to trim this because it's too long. I'm going to make it to 4 seconds. The same goes with the other clips as well. Then you need to hit on publish and share. And you need to be a pro member to download, or else you can just share and copy the link. So that's how you create a video from scratch. That brings this tutorial on Animoto to an end. I truly hope that you like this video. If you have any thoughts, let us know in the comment section below. We'll see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.